Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been dealing with the frustration of slow, unreliable remote access tools, or worse, the constant worry about data security, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a solution that will change the way you provide support. Let's talk about Zoho. Tired of unreliable software and security risks? Try Zoho for secure, easy remote access. Zoho makes connecting to any system simple and fast. Just generate a unique Zoho remote link and share it with the person whose system you need to access. You can track the entire process, whether the user clicked the link, if the download started, and when access was granted. Once they download the client and grant permission, you can immediately begin your session. Experience how quick and easy remote support can be. Plus, you get the benefit of extended support sessions with up to 90 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, of continuous remote control in a single session. That's the high-level overview, but seeing is believing. Let's focus on the screen now so I can show you exactly how fast it is to generate that link and start a session. Now, generate and share this link to initiate the remote access connection. We'll wait right here. As soon as they click the link, you'll be able to track their progress in this dashboard. The setup is complete. You now have full remote access to the system.